Hi everyone! Do you want to speak English better but don't know how to start? Today, I'm going to share three simple tips that I use every day. These tips are very easy and perfect for beginners. Let's start. Number one, start small. Don't try to do everything at once. Just start with 10 minutes a day. You can read one paragraph, write a short sentence, or listen to a short video. Small steps every day are better than doing too much and stopping. Example, in the morning, I read one page of an English story. Number two, repeat and practice. Repetition is the key. If you learn a new word, try to use it again and again. Say it out loud, write in a sentence, and listen to how it sounds. Example, I learned the word important and I say this is important for me. Then I use it again later. Learning English is important. Number three, enjoy the process. Make it fun. Watch your favorite English cartoons or listen to songs you like. When you enjoy learning, you don't get bored. Learning becomes part of your life. Example, I watch a short video with English subtitles and try to repeat what they say. So, those are my three simple tips. Start small, repeat and practice, and enjoy the process.